In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an account on Gumroad. Gumroad is a fantastic platform for creators and entrepreneurs looking to sell digital products. Whether you're an artist, writer, or in another creative field, Gumroad makes selling your work straightforward and accessible. Let's dive right into how to get started. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the Gumroad website. As you navigate to their homepage, you'll see a clean, simple design that is welcoming and easy to explore. You want to direct your attention to the Start Selling button. It's usually highlighted to catch your eye, making it easy to find. Click on that and it will guide you to the next step in setting up your account. Once you're there, you'll see several options to sign up. For convenience, you'll want to click on the Sign Up with Google option. This is a quick and secure way to create an account without having to remember a new password. It's a great time saver, especially if you manage multiple accounts or platforms. After selecting the Google option, you will be prompted to choose which Google account you would like to use. If you're already signed into your Google account, you will see it listed. If not, you'll need to enter your Google credentials at this stage. Pick your preferred Google account and then click on Continue. This essentially links your Google account to your new Gumroad account, and voila, you're halfway through the process. At this point, Gumroad will send you an authentication token. Head over to your email inbox to find this token. This is a crucial security step to verify your identity and ensure that it's really you signing in. Locate the email from Gumroad, copy the token they've sent you, and head back to the Gumroad website. Paste your authentication token into the designated field on the Gumroad site. This step ensures your account is both verified and secure, protecting your data and products. Then all you have to do is click on the Login button. It's that simple. Once you're logged in, you'll see Gumroad's dashboard and a handy getting started guide tailored to help you with your first steps on the platform. The guide will take you through customizing your selling page, uploading products, and setting prices, among other things. Don't worry if you feel overwhelmed initially. Just follow the on-screen prompts and detailed instructions. They're designed to be user-friendly, catering to both beginners and seasoned users alike. And there you have it. You're now set up and ready to start selling on Gumroad. It's a seamless process that aligns perfectly with the needs of creators who want simplicity paired with robust selling features. Feel free to explore and make the most of all Gumroad has to offer.